Hey there! When was the last time you gave your phone a good cleaning? I'm Justin, and I'm here with a step-by-step guide for getting your device squeaky clean. Before we start, here's what you will need. A soft, lint-free cloth, like microfiber. A small amount of water with a drop or two of dish soap. A disinfecting wipe made with at least 70% alcohol. First, carefully remove your phone case to prepare for cleaning. Gently wipe the screen with a clean cloth. For stubborn debris, spray a little alcohol onto the cloth first. Next, do the same thing to the back and sides of your phone. Keep in mind that some phones are water resistant and can handle the moisture from a damp cloth, but you still shouldn't immerse your phone in water or spray disinfectant directly onto the surface. After cleaning your phone, it's important to give your case a good wipe down as well. And that's it. Put your case back on and you are good to go.